Odoo is a powerful business management software. Odoo provides tools for CRM, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing, warehouse, project management, and inventory management. With Odoo you can automate and track everything you do from anywhere using any device. It is featuring e-commerce, CRM, sales, inventory, manufacturing, marketing, invoicing, finance, and human resources. Why choose Odoo? Easy to set up, intuitive, and the modules are well integrated. And sufficient feature to track and control finance. It is a web-based software also supported in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, also in Android and iPhone. Explore detailed product overview, and compare with other leading solutions with free trial availability for all, at anytechtrial.com.